kimchi, the only thing that can get away with being like, I think I want a skirt made out of an umbrella. And like a shawl, a thaw that looks like a rain cloud. And we're like, "Warg!" Y'all turn to that kid. What is your homosexual name? Brian. I'm Brian. Brian, how old are you? 21. Give him kimchi, y'all. Give him kimchi. Oh, it's me. It must be you. This guy's the king of awkward tips. Word, girl.